validity for the PMP certification, or is it lifelong valid?
The certification is valid basically for 3 years. During those 3 years, you have to earn some PDUs, Professional Development Units. Why? This is a certification for project managers. It is about project management. And project management is something that is changing every day. So are you keeping up to date? That is what PM I would like to know. So to stay in touch with project management, you need to do something continuously. That's why they check it every 3 years. What is it that you did to stay in touch with project management? So you can do some training courses which are related to project management. You can read some books. You can train people. You can also read some blogs, write some blogs. There are many ways of achieving those PDUs or professional development units.
Yeah, but you don't have to give exam again.
Yes, the examination is not something as you're saying you need to repeat. It is only renewal of that certification after 3 years. If you collect 60 PDUs, you can renew.